In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master project management in Anytype using tasks and collections. If you want a private and flexible way to organize your projects, Anytype gives you a great setup for tracking work, planning tasks, and keeping everything in one place. In this guide, we'll build a simple project management system using a collection task objects, custom relations, and a board view that makes progress easy to see at a glance. To begin, create a new collection for your project. In the sidebar, click the plus icon and choose collection. This collection will act as the main container for everything related to the project, so it's a good foundation for keeping your work organized from the start. Next, give your collection a clear name based on the project you're working on. After that, set the template so it displays the kinds of items you want to track. This helps shape the collection around your workflow and makes it easier to manage the information you'll be adding later. Once the collection is ready, start adding task objects to it. Inside the page, click the New button and select Task as the object type. Each task can represent a specific action item, milestone, or deliverable within your project. If you break larger goals into smaller tasks here, your project will be much easier to manage over time. After adding your tasks, customize them with useful relations like status, due date, and priority. These relations give your tasks structure and make it much easier to track progress. Status helps you see where each task stands. Due date keeps your timeline visible, and priority helps you focus on what matters most first. Now that your tasks are structured, switch your collection view from a standard list to a Kanban board. To do that, open the layout settings in the top right corner and choose Board. This visual layout is especially helpful for project management because it lets you see task movement clearly instead of scanning through a long list. Once the board view is active, group the board by the status relation. This will create columns such as To Do, In Progress, and Done. From there, you can drag and drop tasks between stages as work moves forward. It's a simple but powerful way to maintain visibility and keep your workflow up to date. To keep your workspace clean and focused, use filters to hide completed tasks. This helps reduce clutter and lets you concentrate on what still needs attention without losing the record of finished work. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building your private, custom project management system in Anytype.